friends. Hope you are doing good. Have a very good morning. So we have discussed the aggregates functions, in my previous sessions. So I have, we can apply some tricks, but the real-time data could not be so simple. So say, for example, we define a sum, we calculated a sum, and we selected the range, we got the value 35. So let's do some, play with some data. So see, for example, this 5, and we now convert this number into text. You see, the value is 30. But now, if you want to calculate the sum of this, and your sum will not work. Why does it happen? Because the number is converted into text when we add apostrophe. So how we handle that? So the easiest way to handle in the older versions is just to convert the text into numbers. So what we do, equals to value, and just select the range and enter. Select everything, Control D. So Control G is the command just to, you know, copy the formulas to the down. And then now enter your formula sum, and you see here, select the range, close the bracket, you get your answer 35. So now you get my point, what I wanted to explain you. So in the real-time scenario, you will not get everything so easy. So you might get some numbers that are into as text. So you need to convert those text into numbers, and then you apply your aggregate values. It will work fine. Thanks, guys. Have a great day ahead. Please subscribe my channel for more knowledge and fun. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.